how to get a disabled Instagram account back. I'm going to tell you how to get a disabled Instagram account back. First off, do not panic. Don't post saying that your account was mistakenly disabled by Instagram, because you will just attract scammers saying that you need to pay for something in order to retrieve your account. You do not have to pay for anything just to make an appeal. You can immediately submit an appeal whenever this happens, but sometimes Instagram does not respond right away. So you can resubmit an appeal by going to help.instagram.com. You can also do this from your phone, by the way, but from here, go to privacy, securing and reporting, login and password, then select hack the Instagram account. From here, you can start building a case about your account being mistakenly disabled.